How to fix Instagram post number on Android phone. Hello guys, on Android or iOS and first just open Play Store or App Store and just see if there is any update for your Instagram, and if you found here update, just update it. And that's it, it's easy. And if that doesn't fix your problem, now restart your phone and let's move to the next step. If you have an Android phone, go to this one here, turn off your Wi-Fi and then go to settings, apps, and apps again, click Instagram. Now force stop it, go back, turn on your Wi-Fi, and that's it. Now your problem must be fixed. Just open Instagram and try again. Don't forget like, and see you in the next video.